Good morning, I am Ganesh Subramanian from Panimalad Institute of Technology, team mentor for the NEC advanced stage. Last year at this period, we started our ESL and we participated in National Entrepreneurship Challenge from IIT Bombay. 4 months we put in hard work and we managed to finish in the final leaderboard. We managed to finish 3rd place, and we can say proudly that we are the only team from South India in the top 10 list, and we have been invited to participate in the final pitch. During January 2015, we were presented our pitch there and we managed to finish 5th place. And later on behalf of our ESL, we have participated in so many entrepreneurial events like Bissons from BITS Pilani and Espiro, Neural University Mumbai, and Enactus. There Enactus, we presented our pitch at Leela Ambience Gurgaon, our team, and at Dhoni 2015. An entrepreneurial event conducted jointly by Anna University Chennai and Surprise Solutions, where 192 teams were participated. There we managed to finish, it's a 1 month work, we managed to finish 1st place among 192 teams, and also we secured so many special category awards. And we are now further participating in all other categories of all the entrepreneurial events, and we formed our teams. Initially we started our team with 30 members, now our team with more than 90 to 100 members are in our complete ESL. Now our students are here to present about their introduction and about their role in their advanced stage. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am Subramaniam, pursuing my BE in Panimalad Institute of Technology, one of my 4 leaders in Sanguine Entrepreneurs and NEC. There are 3 important qualities of being a leader. The first one is futuristic. My current decisions should not affect my future work. Second one, as an ambassador. My whole team cannot make a touch with you, so I'm gonna act as an ambassador and connect you with my people. Third one is analyst. I'm gonna analyze my teammates' talents, and according to that, I'm gonna take decisions further. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sandhya Bhargavi, one of the 4 leaders of Sanguine Entrepreneurs, Panimalad Institute of Technology in NEC advanced stage. So, the responsibilities of a team leader on my perspective: maintain the team as dynamic as possible, mentor, monitor and lead but never micromanage. And the most important third one is to create a star team rather than a team of stars. So, the 2 teams I'll be supervising are the team of financial managers and the database team.
Good evening friends, myself Lokesh Kumar. I am pursuing my Electronics and Communication Engineering 4th year, and I am one among the 4 leaders of Sanguine Entrepreneurs. Under me there are 2 teams, Corporate Connect and Technical team. So my responsibility would be to just link up with the corporate teams and guide my team to just get to them, and then technical team, like in my perspective, like we are all engineers, so this would be an easier task when compared to others. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Raj Kumar from Panimalad Institute of Technology, doing my final year BE in Mechanical Engineering. So according to me, a good leader should is someone who exposes his team to maximum probabilities, encourage them and support them constantly. And I'll be guiding 2 teams this time. One is the operational team and the other is talent hunt team. That's it.
This NEC advanced track, I'm gonna lead 3 major teams. The first one is Public Connect, the next one is Marketing, and the last and final one is Media Management. Now, I call upon my team leaders to give an intro about them and their teammates. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nirmal and I am from Sanguine Entrepreneurs team. I am doing my EC final year in Panimalad Institute of Technology, and I am working as a leader under Public Connecting, and here are my members.
I am L. Saravanan from Panimalad Institute of Technology, and a member of Sanguine Entrepreneurs. My responsibilities are finds a more sustainable mode for the public and directs the entire team towards the socially beneficial projects.
And here is my other teammate, R. Parthiban.
Hi, I am Parthiban. I am doing my UG in Panimalad Institute of Technology, member of Sanguine Entrepreneur. My roles are collective feedbacks, determine their needs, and bridge act between the team and the public. Thank you.
Start.
Greetings, I am Sudarshan. I am currently pursuing my final year bachelor's degree in Panimalad Institute of Technology. I belong to the marketing team of Sanguine Entrepreneurs, and here are my teammates. What we do is researching and reporting on external opportunities and introducing innovative marketing strategies to the market.
Hi, I'm myself Saravanan. I'm currently pursuing BE in Panimala Institute of Technology. I'm a member of Sanguine Entrepreneurs. In business, what is without marketing? So marketing plays a major role in any kind of business. We formulate a lot of strategies and moreover make a lot of methodologies in order to enhance our team and also our motto.
Hi, I'm Surya. I'm also one among them in marketing team. And my role is to manage towards the ethics of marketing. And of course, customers are our most important thing in our marketing. Here I'm going to concentrate on customers' journey, customers' dependent decisions. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Venkat. I just pursuing my BE degree in Panimala Institute of Technology. I'm the member of ESL. I'm the team leader of media manager.
Happy evening. We are the energetic media managers. Now I'm Priyadarshini, pursuing B third year in Panimala Institute of Technology. Now I'm going to list my responsibilities. We connect our project with the public via the media. We channelize our projects and synchronously work with the channels in publicizing our project. We have the main task of channelizing our different projects with the appropriate news channel. Then we have a Facebook page named as Sanguine Entrepreneurs, and we have uploaded various YouTubes of previous tasks which were performed in a basic track like basics of entrepreneurship, pitching workshop, viral marketing, a debate on job versus entrepreneurship, Clean India rally, and we have also conducted a rally on human rights and so on, and we have collected the reviews and response of our public. Thank you. So, the two teams under my supervision are the financial managers and the database managers. So, I now call upon the team leads along with their team members to introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, this is Vinod of EC Department, Sanguine Entrepreneurs, ESL at Panimala Institute of Technology. I'm pleased to introduce myself as a lead of finance managing team, and these are my team members.
Hi, I'm Meghandan. I am pursuing my final year degree in Panimala Institute of Technology.
Hi, I'm Satish Kumar. I am from Information Technology.
Generally, our role is to manage the budget within our ESL, and we collect the revenues from various departments or various activities what we have been scheduled within a particular time, and we are responsible for developing the financial management mechanism which we consider to reduce the financial risk in the coming future. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Alice doing third year BTech IT in Panimala Institute of Technology. I am part of a Sanguine Entrepreneurs and I am in a database management team, and my responsibilities are coding data to the front-end users and organization of data in backend and coding data security and make sure data consistent across the database. And my team members are Vedda Salam and Vignesh Hogan, and we are going to work together. Thank you.
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has met up with the Google CEOs and Facebook CEO. So what is going to happen next? Our country is going to be digitized. So what we require? Corporate connect and technical team. Now I welcome upon my team.
Hello everyone. My name is Riya, member of Sanguine Entrepreneurs, Panimala Institute of Technology, and I am the team lead of the Corporate Connect team. And working with me is Jason Daniel. And the key responsibilities of our team include getting in touch with the corporate world, handling corporate responsibilities, linking our projects with the corporate world, to know their demands and design our projects that comply with them, and to create young professionals within our premises that meet their corporate needs. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Revant Igneshwar, pursuing my BEZ in Panimala Institute of Technology. I am a part of Sanguine Entrepreneurs and I am leading my technical team, and this is my team member Meenakshi Sundaram, and my main responsibilities are providing good technical support to the team as well as the society and help them with our support.
Good evening everybody, I am Naveen. I am doing third year mechanical in Panimala Institute of Technology. I am the team leader of operational team and my colleagues are Aravind and Dhanush. We are going to act as a bridge between the team and the college. So we are going to conduct the program events which are going to conduct by the ESL. So we will fulfill our work as possible and we will work with the coordinates. Thank you.